Hey everybody, welcome back to the episode on Mighty Mall Shop Creations. Today I'm going to be doing a kind of an overview on my first NNL East and a bunch of stash ads along with that. So without further ado, let's roll the intro. Alright, so as you can see, well, here's the flyer. So we went to the 38th annual NNL East. I was super duper stoked to go there because I've seen it online and many people talk so highly of the event, and rightfully so. I mean, I had an amazing time. I mean, you know, the 6.5 hour drive there, and then we stayed in the hotel. The 6.5 hour drive sucked a little bit.
At least it was good weather, and it was really scenic too.
Oh, amazing scenery. Oh, it was just perfect days. Perfect driving days, just sunny skies.
The rainy day was the NNL East day. It worked out pretty good.
Yeah, it was pretty good timing for everybody. So as you can see, there's the back room. I'm sure everybody that's watching this video has probably been there, and if not, then I 100% recommend you go. There is a whole vendor list. Super cool. We met a lot of cool people there. I met
the Model Muse.
Yeah, we met Doug White, Model Muse. I shook his hand.
Cool.
It was so cool.
And it really is a community event. People just, they say, oh, you know, everyone's so friendly and whatever. And as an introvert, you're like, yeah, right.
Yeah.
But no, seriously,
but
it's amazing.
Yeah, people will just come up and talk to you. We met
so many people.
So many people. Tim's custom model cars. He was really nice. And then Billy, it was just so cool. Great time. So many people. I probably forgot a bunch of them. Forgot their names, but I remember you. While waiting in the lineup, we woke up really early, and they gave us kind of this
the goodie bag.
The NNL East goodie bag. So that's really cool. I mean, they're really nice bags too. And in there, it kind of had this sheet. And then also
some raffle tickets,
yeah,
a bunch of cool stuff.
The next year's sheet as well, which I'm going to be participating in that, which I'm super excited to do that. And then they also provided NNL East license plates with the photo etch piece in there. There we go. The license plate holders
from Model Car Garage.
Yeah.
Speaking of which, we picked up a couple of their
picked up
sets.
2 photo etch sets. So this is for my dad's Shirley Shanahan build, and this is for my Corvette Grand Sport because the one that I bought was missing it. Super cool. And then I was digging through some bins and stuff, and I found some cool custom rims. So those ones kind of look like speakers a little bit, but kind of unique custom stuff, bullet tipped rims, and one of them is missing one of the middle things here, but they're really cool. These ones are kind of like turbine rims, so I'm going to be using those for some custom builds. And then bought these to replace the old crappy one that we have for stuff. But here's the first model kit that we bought. Or actually, that's not true. I bought this later. But this is an old vintage AMT kit. It's the 1961 Mercury Monterey. Look at that. Bam. Colored instruction sheets, and it comes with the original decals. Unused. I will not be using them now. Here it is. Whoops. Oh no, some of this fell out. Oh yeah, so there's the rims. Really nice chrome. I'm assuming it's from the original kit, and there's a convertible piece. But super clean. I don't know what I'm going to do with this yet. But it's probably going to be custom. And it comes with an engine. But I'm probably going to replace it with the one that came in the 1960 Starliner, maybe. Because that one's really detailed. It's in the parts bin. So yeah, that's a cool kit. Got it for a decent price as well, so that's always good. I'm really happy with all the purchases that I made at this show, and there's so much cool stuff. You see kits that you will never see again. The problem is you see prices that are very expensive and probably unaffordable to everyone.
And we met Jimmy Flintstone.
Yeah.
How
So
cool is that? I mean, I've been...
yeah, he's a cool guy.
Yeah, super cool. Super cool.
Yeah.
So Kevin, one from our model club, he emailed or called ahead or whatever and had these... he's like, hey, if you're coming to the show, got a guy coming down, like, can you bring these and whatever. So he had them set aside. I just had to say, hey, I'm here for X, Y, and Z, and he popped them out. And yeah, super cool guy, super cool experience.
Amazing molds too. Super cool.
Yeah.
There you go. And then we also picked up some, you see weird stuff like this, like a Lindbergh, like Satan's crate. Like, what is this? Like, I've never seen this kit before. I had to buy it. I couldn't say no. It was just like, what? Apparently it's limited edition out of like 2,500. There's the instruction sheets, but something that I noticed, I opened the thing and I was like, oh no, it's broken, right? Like, and then I noticed, oh, it's broken on too. And then I looked at the box art and look, it's a broken wheel. So that's kind of interesting because the amount of power and torque, yeah.
So that's a pretty cool Halloween build. Maybe we can do that for Halloween this year.
Yeah, I'm 100% building this. For sure. Oh, it's stuck. There we go. And then an amazing... Oh my god, this is probably like my favorite purchase. This is a Resin 1960 Dodge Phoenix. Chopped, obviously. And it comes with... well, I guess they're kind of stuck in there, but it comes with the taillights, rear bumper, and 2 front bumpers. 1 chrome, 1 de-chromed. This is going to be an amazing custom build, and I'm super excited to kind of see what I can come up with. Because I have, I bought front bumpers and rear bumpers for a stock build. I was going to try and convert a car into a Dodge Phoenix from a different car. Kind of similar to what I did with the DeSoto conversion, the Plymouth Fury to the DeSoto, which I actually did bring to the NNL East. I'll talk about that in a bit.
Oh, yeah. That's just cool.
There's, I don't know, this was literally just sitting on top of one of the many resin boxes that this guy had.
It was just simply marked
Concept. Yeah, not,
but...
it is a I think it's a 60 Chrysler Norseman. If you don't know the story, basically Chrysler got this made in like Italy or something, and on the boat ride back,
ship sank.
Yeah, ship sank, and it sank with it, and they just left it there. But super cool car. Like, because I was also gonna convert a car into the Chrysler Norseman, but don't have to because there's a resin body for it. So yeah.
And this is kind of a cool. So one of the things, like, well, I don't have to tell you guys, parts bins and bagged kits. You can find all sorts of gems. And
well, I don't know about this, but it's
the diamond in the rough.
It's rough, all right.
Polish the turd.
Yeah, it's weird. I was like, oh, that's a Johan, and then I was like, oh, where's the other door? But this guy must have chopped a section out and squished it, and I mean, it looks pretty funny. But what he was doing with it was he was going to make it a flip-top dragster, and there's the piece there. I don't know how this is going on, but that's something to figure out a lot later.
Pretty cool project, though. When you compare it, like
here's the original, like, profiling of the Johan kit, and then kind of like, what is going on here?
Cool project, though.
Yeah.
And, like, who's done that before?
Nobody, probably.
Well, somebody tried.
Everybody's already done everything, so yeah.
Probably somebody somewhere.
Yeah, super weird though. Like, what? And it comes with a front bumper too, which is kind of like a bonus. So that's one less thing I have to find. I just gotta find the entire rest.
Nah, there's parts kits everywhere.
And then this is my dad's purchase. He bought the Matilda custom van. We thought it was like, oh, it's kind of a cool front spoiler, and the bubble top mainly
The
was
bubble
the...
top. The bubble top's cool.
Apparently this is a movie. I've never heard of this.
It's Australian. Everything Australian is cool.
And it's all sealed inside and stuff. I'm not going to take it out because it's it's packed in there tightly.
Yeah, it's just such a, I don't know. I have a custom van streak right now. I don't know what's going on.
Also, with the Chrysler Norseman, it came with the front grille, rear bumper, and front bumper and taillights as well. So again, that saves a lot of stuff from creating. My dad also bought this Model King Dino Dawn Comet, which is pretty cool.
I like Model King. And also...
Well, it's Model King and Mobius.
Yeah.
So that's how you know the fitment should be amazing, because Mobius models are just amazing kits. I built one of their Belvederes. Amazing.
It was too good of a deal to pass up. And also, I think this is the same car as that Wild Child, the Canadian... Anyways, whatever. Yeah. And speaking of things, a good price. Don't need it.
It's a
but
30...
had to buy it because it was a good deal.
Yeah, the Galaxy Limited 38-foot triaxle fifth wheel trailer. Yeah. It's literally so big I can't fit it in the frame, but...
Who doesn't need one of those?
You get the idea.
And Galaxy stuff is cool. I'm a big fan of the Galaxy trailers. I got a few of them now.
It's all sealed inside as well.
Indeed.
So, next year is the 130th anniversary of Oldsmobile. So that's the theme. So anything Oldsmobile. And the sub-theme is 3D printed models. So my dad and I are probably both going to be competing somehow.
I guess.
He's opening our squeaky cabinet.
Speaking of 3D... Whoop.
Yeah, we got a...
That's all 3D printed swamp buggy stuff.
It's pretty weird.
Yeah, I built it I think I downloaded it like a year ago or something. But yeah, it's kind of neat stuff.
Oh yeah, we also have NNL East cups. These were at the host hotel, and we just took them back to our hotel room. And we're like, oh, we don't want to really throw these away. So yeah, we just took them home because they're cool.
So for those keeners out there...
For what?
The keeners.
What was that?
I don't know, the people that are super interested or whatever.
The keeners. I hope that's not like...
The researchers. I don't know, whatever.
The super fans.
Yeah, the super fans will probably...
Keep an eye out for...
We're on videos. Yeah. I've seen
We are on a video somewhere. So...
If you stayed to the end of the show, you would have seen at least one of us for sure.
Yeah.
But enough said.
Yeah. Well, let's talk about what we entered. So... My dad entered two things that haven't been shown on the channel at all. One is his Coopzilla, which he's also pulling out of the squeaky closet. Or cabinet. So here's the Coopzilla. This probably needs its own video soon, which we might do, we might not do.
Yeah, check it out. Google Hot Rod Ronnie's Coopzilla. It's the absolute awesomest hot rod probably ever.
Awesomest?
Yeah.
But yeah, that's a cool build. And he also entered the Shirley Shanahan's, which this was a video that went semi-famous.
Yeah,
but by my standards. I think it was like 4,000 views.
Yeah, it went to Fulton.
Yeah. And cool. So if you want to check out this video, it's on the channel, Dragon Lady Shirley Shanahan car. Yeah. And I entered my Isle of Man build, which you guys have seen. Well, 72 of you. And then I also entered the Bugatti diorama, which was just posted. The Dodge Monaco spy car, which you haven't seen yet. Although, if you've been keeping up on Facebook, it has been featured in photographs. And you may have seen a sneak peek of it before it being on the channel. Before it was featured on the channel. So that's pretty interesting.
Coming soon.
Yes, very, very soon. So stay tuned. And I also entered the Plymouth Fury conversion kit, because that one's cool. And I think that was all. Isle of Man, Bugatti. Oh, and my Model T. The gold one that was featured in the 3 vintage kits in one video. So check that out. And yeah, so I think that's it for today's video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the post notifications, and come down to NNL East next year.
It's amazing. It really
is. Yeah. I wish we went earlier. So, and you might see me there. If you know, well, you don't know what I look like, but...
You will, for the Keeners.
Yeah, for
the super fans.
The Keeners, Jesus. I don't even think that's what does that even mean?
I don't know.
All right, well, I'll see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.